Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook enchiladas in the oven. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While it warms, gather all your ingredients, like your tortillas, protein, sauce, and cheese, along with a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Gently warm your tortillas for about 15 to 20 seconds each in a microwave or a warm skillet. This prevents them from tearing when you roll them. Having everything ready makes the assembly process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get to filling and rolling your tortillas. Dip each tortilla briefly in your chosen enchilada sauce before adding the filling. This adds flavor and helps with pliability. Then, spoon about 1/4 cup of your delicious filling, whether it's seasoned chicken, beef, or vegetables, down the center of each warmed tortilla. Roll each one up tightly, making sure the filling is snug. Place them seam-side down on a plate for a moment, ready for the baking dish. It's time to assemble our enchilada masterpiece. First, spread about 1/3 cup of your enchilada sauce on the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. This prevents sticking and adds moisture. Next, carefully arrange your filled and rolled tortillas in a single layer, packing them snugly. Then, pour the remaining enchilada sauce over the top, making sure every tortilla is covered. Finally, generously sprinkle at least 1 1/2 cups of shredded cheese over everything for that perfect. Serve your delicious vegan eggs immediately, enjoying their warm and inviting aroma. For an extra touch, garnish your scramble with fresh chopped chives, a light sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper, or a generous dash of your preferred hot sauce. These versatile vegan eggs are absolutely perfect tucked into a warm breakfast burrito, piled high on a slice of toasted artisanal bread, or served as a flavorful side with some roasted root vegetables. Feel free to customize by mixing in some sautéed mushrooms or spinach during the final 2 minutes of cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.